What is up, friends? My name is Hamza. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, let's talk about top 3 skills you need to master for IT consulting. Now, the number one skill you need in IT consulting is communication skills. At the core of what we do is helping clients, and we cannot do that unless we're able to communicate with them effectively. Let's be real, communication is not easy. I mean, there's a ton of people whose job it is just to talk about how to communicate better. But I want to just touch on a few things here, and then you can research this later in depth. The first thing we need to think about when we're talking about communication is, who are we communicating with? Is the person a technical person, or are they more of an executive manager? So we need to communicate that information at the level they will understand and will have time for. Many of my previous clients were not very technical. So if I wanted to tell them, hey, we're going to be using some API to interface with another system, instead of having all this technical jargon, they would want to hear, hey, we're going to make this two systems talk. If you're trying to communicate something very technical to a business-focused person, they're going to tune you out. After we figured out our who, the next thing we want to figure out is what we're communicating. Are we talking about technical content here? Are we talking about some sort of a business process that needs to be implemented or that's in place right now? So much of our day-to-day work involves talking to other people, gathering requirements, writing code. So we need to be able to figure out what we want to say, how we want to say it. Is it going to be email? Is it going to be a phone call or some sort of a WebEx meeting? Are we writing documents that someone is going to need to reference in the future when you might not be around for questions? One major part of communication we often forget is we usually think it's just one way. We're not always the one doing the talking. We need to be able to listen. We need to be able to listen to what our clients' needs are and then unpack what they are. We need to ask our clients questions and dig deeper into what they really need, what their struggles are. The second most important skill is going to be technical skills. If you're enjoying the video so far, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. A lot of major consulting companies look for IT consultants that are well-rounded. They don't just do one type of coding, or they don't just make one type of database. A lot of the times we need to be able to have basic understanding of lots of different technologies. That way we can recommend the best technology to our client for their needs. So a good chunk of these technical skills are going to come from your certification or degree, whether it's a computer science degree or business degree. Now we have to supplement that with some other skills, and this is going to tie back into some of those communication skills I talked about. Let's say you build a system. Well, how do you tell people about it? If you don't have good technical writing skills, if you don't have good presentation skills, then you can build a system and no one will know about it. No one will know how it functions. For my developers out there, let's say you've coded some amazing module and you've made an application. How are you going to talk about the impact that it makes? Now, in order to tie some of these technical skills with communication skills, we need to be able to communicate to others what we built, how we built it, how it functions. So we need to take our technical knowledge and now be able to communicate that. Good thing there are several ways to do this. We can have a video or a demo of how a system functions. So IT consultants need to be able to supplement some of those technical skills with some other skills, like being really good at Word documents and PowerPoint presentations. And don't forget Excel. Get ready for a lot of Excel. Number 3, the most important skill we need is organization or time management type of skills. We're constantly bombarded with new requests and new tasks, so we need to be able to organize what we're working on, what we need to do. Get the priorities based on how critical something is and how fast we need to work on it. There's also the reality of some tasks just will take longer than others. We need to be able to figure out, is that task really worth the time? You can use different application and software out there for getting organized and planning your tasks. I personally use OneNote a lot and also Microsoft Planner. I've also tracked tasks in a spreadsheet before. And another tool that I really like for organizing my thoughts and get the mind keep flowing is this one right here that I'm using. It's called MindMeister. I use this a lot when I have a video idea in my head and I just need to break down the subcategories of different things I want to talk about. So it really helps me organizing my thoughts. If you want to see communication in action and you want to see a job that uses that a lot, check out this video on Business Analyst. If you want to learn more about the world of IT consulting, then please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon so whenever I put up a video, you'll be notified. If you learned something from this video, click the like button. Let me know in the comments below what else you want to see. Be sure to check out this playlist on IT consulting. And hey, keep on being awesome.